In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set working hours on Slack. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Slack set up to notify you only during the hours you choose, so you can focus during the day and truly disconnect after hours. I'll guide you through the exact menus to open, the preset options to try, and how to fine-tune your start and end times, plus a quick tip for reminder notifications. Start by opening Slack on your desktop app or in a browser. Look to the top of the sidebar and open your account menu. Depending on your version, this might be your profile photo or your name. From that menu, choose Preferences. Preferences is where Slack keeps most of your personal settings, so it's the right place for notification controls. Inside Preferences, go to Notifications. This section controls what pings you and when. Find the area labeled Notification Schedule. This is where you define your working hours. Click into it to reveal the scheduling options. You'll see presets that make setup easy. Click Weekdays to preview a typical Monday through Friday schedule. This option covers the common 9 to 5 style work week and automatically pauses notifications outside those days. Next, click Every Day to see what an all-week schedule looks like. This is useful if your team collaborates 7 days a week or your hours vary across the week. Now choose Custom so you can handpick which days count as working days. With Custom active, go through the day list and toggle Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Turn on the days you work and leave off the days you don't. If you're testing the presets, it's fine to click back to Every Day to compare, then back to Custom again to finalize your exact selection. When you're satisfied, you can also return to weekdays if that matches your routine. The key is to land on the combination that mirrors your real schedule. With your days set, adjust the hours. Click the start time and choose 9 o'clock a.m. If you see multiple start time selectors while customizing, make sure they each reflect 9 o'clock a.m. so your schedule is consistent. Next, click the end time. You'll often see 5 o'clock p.m. as a default. Select that if it fits. If you prefer to wrap up earlier, switch it to 4 o'clock p.m. After setting the end time, glance back at the start time option and confirm it's still 9 o'clock a.m. wherever it appears in the schedule view. It should read as a clean range, like 9 o'clock a.m. to 4 o'clock p.m. or 9 o'clock a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. on the days you enabled. Before you leave, set the default time for reminder notifications. Look for the option to set a default time for reminder notifications and choose a time that works for you, such as first thing in the morning. This controls when Slack nudges you about reminders you've created, helping them land at a moment you'll actually act on them. A few helpful tips as you wrap up. Your schedule follows your Slack account, so once you set it here, it applies on desktop and mobile. If you're in a different time zone than your team or you're traveling, double check that your device time and Slack time zone are correct. Your schedule respects your local time. Remember, even when notifications are paused outside working hours, urgent messages from teammates can still reach you if they explicitly mark them as such, depending on your workspace settings. If you ever change roles or shift your hours, just return to Preferences, Notifications, and Notification Schedule to update the days or times. And if you try a preset like weekdays and realize you need more flexibility, switch back to Custom and refine your selection without starting from scratch. That's it. You've set your working hours, chosen the right days, tuned the start and end times, and picked a sensible reminder time. Enjoy a quieter Slack when you're off the clock and focused, timely alerts when you're on.